What's up, you guys? Today I've got somewhere special to be, so I'm gonna show you a full coverage makeup look. And by the way, if you haven't noticed yet, I'm going to get my nails done right after this video because two of my fingers are in serious need of manicure, as you guys can see. So we can ignore that. So let's dive right in. I'm going to start with this daily moisturizing lotion, and this is for normal to dry skin. And I do not apply any primers. I'm just going to hydrate my skin with this moisturizer, and after that I'm gonna apply sunscreen. So I'm not going to apply any primer because I never do, but you guys can do it, obviously. By the way, I'm absolutely loving fall. As you guys can see in the background, all the fall colors, and you can also spot a bit of lighting because I start my Christmas warm-up right around Halloween time. Okay, now my skin is ready for makeup, and I'll be using the Charlotte Tilbury Full Coverage Foundation. And what I do is, and then I'm gonna warm it up like this, like a little makeup magic trick, and then I apply it on my face. And I'm gonna use my beauty blender. You can wet it if you want. And this way it melts right into my skin and doesn't look cakey at all. It's like giving my skin a perfect little hug. You know? Okay, I just want to see if I missed any spots. For concealers, I'm gonna use my favorite. This is my favorite right now, and this is Natasha Denona foundation. What am I saying? It's Natasha Denona concealer, and the number is N1. It's super bright. Lately, I've been into overly bright concealers, and that's the trend these days. Not too much. And this area. And yeah. Okay. Now I'm gonna let it sit for a bit while I do my brows, and then I'll come back and blend it out. So for brows, okay, for brows, wait, I forgot my eyeshadow because I use, okay, I'll show you. Okay, this is the eyeshadow palette I was talking about, and this is Tarte eyeshadow palette. Looks like so. And I just use this palette for my brows, and I'm gonna use Smoke Show right here. All my brushes are here, and I'm gonna use this one for my brows, and this is e.l.f. Small Precision Brush. There is no number, but this is the name. And for brows, I'm just gonna define my brows and bring them a little closer so that my eyes don't look far apart, you know? You'll see. Okay. I used to swear by Anastasia Beverly Hills pomades. They're so popular. I don't know. Now I just use this powder and it's so much easier and quicker. And as you guys can see, I'm extending my brows both from the front and the back. It should look natural, you know, like that. Now I'm gonna use this brush. Do you see that shape? Like, it's super sharp. And this is F70 Concealer Sigma brush. And okay, there's a trick. I'm gonna use the same concealer under my eyes, just a little. Don't worry, you guys. It saves a lot of time. And define my brows like this. We're just fixing the shape. Nothing too crazy. Okay. Again. And once we're done with our brows, I'll be using this 24-hour brow setter from Benefit, and we'll make them bushy and, you know, just set them and laminate them. This is my favorite part. Like, without this step, my brows are incomplete. Do you guys see that instant difference? Okay, now I'm gonna blend my concealer, and I'm gonna leave my nose as it is because I use this concealer line as a guide when I contour my nose. So okay, now we're done blending our concealer. Okay, once I'm done, I'm done with my concealer. Next up is contouring my nose. Funny story. So I was at Sephora yesterday, and I asked one of the girls working there that I'm looking for a contour. Powder bronzer. I'm looking for a powder bronzer, and without the red undertone. There should be no red undertone in my powder bronzer. And she took me to the makeup section and asked another girl for help. And that girl suggested me that I should use Westman Atelier contour stick in biscuit. And I was like, I know about this product, and it's not even powder. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna find it myself, else it's gonna take me all day. And then I found this product right here, and it's not red at all. As you guys can see, it has true shadow hue. Do you guys see that? What I do is I dab, and then warm it up on my palm. Okay, and then I'm gonna use this contour line as a guide. I kind of like it natural. Contour rest of my face, and for that I use this brush right here, and this is F40 Large Angled Contour Sigma. It's angled, and I love that about it. So cute. And I always do this for precision. And I go upwards like that. see that natural shadow hue? It's not red at all, and I love that. I do not like it to be red. I only like my blushes to be red, if that makes sense. And it's not even expensive, you guys. It's $14. And the one that she was suggesting me, that Westmian Atelier, I think that is like 50 bucks or 60, but it's expensive. And I extended down to create more shadow on my neck. Makes my face look brighter and lifted. It's like a little trick to bring all the glow up front. After contouring, my absolute favorite part is blush. And for blush, I'm using Pat McGrath Labs. This color right here, so cute. I love this color. And the name is Skin Fetish Divine Blush Love Struck. That's the name. And the brush that I'm using is e.l.f. highlighting brush. And I always start here and then I come back to my nose. I totally forgot about my eyeshadow. I forgot about I got excited about this blush and I forgot about my eyes. That's not good, you guys. That's not good. Okay, I'm gonna finish this blush and then I'm gonna jump back to my eyes. Okay, now for eyes, I'm not doing anything crazy for my eyes. My favorite, my go-to eyeshadow palette is none other than Charlotte Tilbury. I love this eyeshadow palette. So cute. 4 colors and all of them are so cute. And for that, I'm gonna use this brush. It's Sephora 19. This cute little fluffy brush. And nothing too crazy. What I'm gonna do is, that's what I always do. That's my go-to look for eyes, and that is mixing these two together. Okay, now I'm gonna pop on some false lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with my false lashes, and for that I used Kiss lashes, and after that I applied some liquid eyeliner and Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner right here. I'm gonna finish this look by applying kajal to my lower waterline and smudging it, and that's it for my eyes. For mascara, I'm using Rare Beauty Black Mascara. For that, I want to talk about this lipstick. So this is Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Velvet Texture Mousse, and the name is Peach Amber. Isn't it perfect for fall season? I love this color. So cute. Okay, let's open this. So cute. It is so cute. I love it. So cute. I love the packaging. And this is matte. What is... Just twist it. Make your life easy. Neutral. Ooh. It is matte. Now I'm scared. Love the color. Oh my god. This color is beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. I love it. Love it. Highlighter palette. Look at the colors. I'm just gonna blend everything together. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this soft glam makeup look as much as I did creating it. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more beauty fun, and leave a comment below and let me know what your go-to fall makeup essentials are. And yeah, let me know if there is anything you want me to try, like new products. And now I have to head out and get these nails pampered. Until then, stay fabulous, enjoy fall vibes, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!